Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial I will show you how to download old school RuneScape or RuneScape 3 so you can start playing right away. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and type RuneScape in the search bar. Click on the official RuneScape website from the search results. Once the website is open, click on download old school. Click on continue to full website. Select the version you want to download and download the Windows launcher or the mobile version if you are playing on your phone. Once the launcher is downloaded, install it on your device. Open the game and log in with your email and password. If you downloaded RuneScape 3 but want to switch to OSRS, simply click on the old school icon on the left side of the launcher. And that's it, you are now ready to enjoy RuneScape. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.